What's up guys, this is Dan Manzi. Welcome to Nightlife Bartenders, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Manhattan. Step 1. Grab a martini glass and chill it. You can do that by adding ice to the glass and then adding water. Bloop, 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 bloop. And then set that aside. Step 2. Mix your ingredients. Now for this step you have two options, shaking or stirring. Shaking will leave the texture of the drink cloudy and filled with tiny ice shards, whereas stirring will leave the texture of the drink watery and transparent. The choice is yours, or whatever the customer wants. But in this case, we're going to shake. So in order to do that, you have to grab your mixing glass, add ice, and then add either premium whiskey, rye whiskey, or bourbon whiskey. In this case, I'm going to use Maker's Mark, which is bourbon whiskey. So grab your Maker's Mark and add a 10-count pour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then add a 2-count pour of sweet vermouth. 1, 2. Then add 3 or 4 dashes of bitters. 1, 2, 3. Once you have all your ingredients inside of your mixing glass, grab your shaker tin, connect it, and shake. About 10 vigorous shakes should suffice. When you are done, gently tap the side of the shaker tin with moderate force to break the seal, and then remove the glass, put that aside, and then grab your Hawthorne strainer and place it on top of your shaker tin. Then empty your martini glass, and then add a cherry, and then strain your alcohol into the glass. And that, my friends, is how you make a Manhattan. That's the end of this training. If bartending tutorials is what you are after, then this is the channel for you. If you liked the video, please like the video. That way I know that you liked the video. Thanks guys, and have a wonderful night, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.